This video is about matrices, how to multiply matrices and use that technique to solve problems in life. One is a matrix and many array matrices. A matrix is an array of numbers, like this one here, 2, 5, 10, 8, 9, 11, 8, 41, and so on. To multiply a matrix by a matrix, we do the dot product of rows and columns. In this matrix, we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns. Now, to multiply matrix A by matrix B, the number of rows of matrix A must equal the number of columns of matrix B. So the two must be compatible. Next, we want to see how to multiply matrices. Okay, we have this matrix and this matrix. This one is a 2 by 3 matrix because it has got 2 rows and 3 columns. This is a 3 by 2 matrix because it has 3 rows and 2 columns. Let's see how we can multiply the two matrices. We multiply rows by columns. So the first row times the first column, we have A11 times C11, okay, plus A12 times D21, okay, plus A13 times E31 is there. So we have done the first row and the first column. Next we multiply the first row by the second column. So we have A11 times C12 is here, A12 times D22 it is here, plus A13 times E22 it is there. So the first column multiplied by the first row multiplied by the second column. We have done it. Now next is we multiply the second row times the first column. So we have B21 times C11 is here, plus B22 times B21 is there, plus B23 times E31 is there. Now finally we multiply the second row times the second column. So we have B21 times C12 is there, B22 times D22 is there, plus B23 times E32 it is there. That is how we multiply matrices, rows times columns. Let us look at an example how we can multiply two matrices. This one is a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows, 3 columns. This is a 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay, let's start. First row times first column. 3 times 6 is here, plus 4 times 2 is here, plus 5 times 0 is there. Next is the first row times the second column. 3 times 1 it is here, plus 4 times 5 it is here, plus 5 times 8 it is here. And next is the second row times the first column. We have 1 times 6 it is there, plus 8 times 2 it is here, plus 9 times 0 it is there. Finally, the second row times the second column. We have 1 times 1 it is there, 8 times 5 it is here, plus 9 times 8 it is there. So we add these values, we get 26. We add what we got here, we get 3. We add what we got here, we get 22. And finally, we add 1 plus 40 plus 72, we get 113. That is how we can multiply the two matrices and we get a 2 by 2 matrix. Finally, let us look at a life example. Let us apply what we have learned in a real life example. Now, a shopkeeper sells 3 items at the following prices: 1 kilo of sugar at 200 shillings, 1 kilo of rice at 150 shillings, and 1 kilogram of wheat flour at 100 shillings. So find the total sales the shopkeeper made on a Monday. If he sold 10 kilograms of sugar, 15 kilograms of rice, and 20 kilograms of flour on that particular day. So we can arrange our information in matrix form, okay, array of numbers. So these are the prices of sugar, rice, and wheat flour, and these are the quantities he sold of sugar, rice, and wheat flour. So what we do, we multiply this row by this column. 200 times 10, we get 2000. 150 times 15, we write it there. 100 times 20, we write it there. Then we add, we get 6,250 shillings. That is the amount of sales he made on that particular day. So you can see how you can apply matrix multiplication in real life examples. If you find this resource helpful, please subscribe to my channel to support this work and to see or to view more videos. Thank you so much.